Hi, today we're going to be learning about a very important technique that will show up in many advanced mathematics called cross multiplication. So let's get started. So let's first delve into an example to really understand this. So we have 5 over x is equal to 10 over 30. Now first off bat, I realized that I can rewrite 10 over 30 as 1 over 3. So I'm going to rewrite this as 5 over x is equal to 1/3. So this is really 1 over 3. Okay, now how do I solve this? Well, now is when we cross multiply. And which really means that we multiply diagonally. So we have 5 times 3 from this diagonal is equal to 1 times x from this diagonal. So what we have is 15 is equal to x. Okay, great. Now let's look at another example. 6/9 is equal to 2 over x. Okay, again, I realize that 6/9 can be rewritten as 2/3. So 2/3 is equal to 2 over x. Now I could cross multiply and do 2x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 3. But I could have realized that x has to be 3 because 2 over 3 has to equal 2 over 3. Okay, so x is equal to 3. Next example. So x over 5 is equal to 13 over 26. Now recognize that 13 over 26 can be rewritten as 1/2. So this equals 1/2. So I have x fifths, or x over 5 is equal to 1/2. I'm going to cross multiply. So I get x times 2 is equal to 1 times 5. And this is really equal to 2x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5/2. Okay. Now let's look at a more challenging problem. It says, in the town of Glob on planet Splat, the residents' height and weight are proportionate. The king is 10 feet tall and 50 feet wide. How tall is Mathak, a resident of Glob who is 90 feet wide? And realize all residents have the same proportion. So basically we know that the king is 10 feet and 50 feet wide. So we know that he is 10 feet tall, so the height, so basically let's actually do this first. We're trying to find the proportion first, which is height over weight. And height over weight in this case, as we see with the king, is 10 to 50, which is equal to 1 over 5. And it says that all residents have the same proportions. So we know that Mathak has the same proportions as the king. So we know that 1 over 5 must equal x over 90, right? Because we want to find his height. So now this is when we cross multiply. So we have that 90, or 1 times 90, is equal to 5 times x. This can be rewritten as 90 is equal to 5x. So x is equal to 90 over 5, and 90 over 5 is equal to 1, and then 4, 18. So 90 over 5 is equal to 18, so x is equal to 18, and Mathak is therefore 18 feet tall. Okay, I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.